Meaning of game changer.
Game changer.
Game changer.
Game changer.
Game changer. Game changer refers to a person, idea or event that dramatically alters the existing way of doing things, often resulting in a paradigm shift that disrupts traditional methods and creates new opportunities. It is a term used to denote a significant development or breakthrough that has a transformative effect on a particular industry or field. A game changer can be a technological innovation, a new business model, or a groundbreaking idea that completely changes the game. The result of a game changer can be revolutionary, leading to new ways of thinking and doing, and setting new standards for success.